Oh, my little alarm clock. My little wake up buddy. Getting all those little hairs I missed when I was shaving. My little. Someone's a lover this morning. I don't even gotta pet you. You're just bringing all these cuddles over here. It's really gross. Getting my whole chest licked. I don't know how I feel about that. That's my whole Adam's apple. Stop it. Why are you being so lovey? Someone being a lover. Someone's a lover. Is Jebba not the sweetest raccoon alive? Come on, bro. That's a cuddle machine, dude. This dude was built for cuddling. And licking, I guess. Can we not with the licks? Like, it does it as soon as I pet him. Watch, I'll stop. It's like instant. Oh, hi, my name is Jerry. I'm a lover. I'm addicted to cuddles. I guess licking my father. There's no slopping. What are you covering? I love how he covers his ass. It's my favorite thing. What you doing, baby? Why are you being so friendly? I mean, you're always a cuddler, but you're like an extra cuddler right now. I think the rain is messing him up. Oh. Ow. That was my chin, son. Like, this is the longest. So, hi world, this is my mom. No, leave it alone. Is there any lover? Like he stops when I stop petting him. It's like him petting me back. You are my favorite baby. You're my favorite baby. Between you and Ghost. I hear you out there, Ghost. We'll go outside. Dang, this is 5 minutes long. Oh, little baby is a lover. Tell him, Jay. You want to make your raccoon cuddly. You're going to give him lots of kisses. You gotta be the most kissed raccoon on the planet. I was just licking it. Fake chewing it. Oh, my baby's tired. I want to start the light out. It's not happening. That's the ultimate trust right there, boy. He's like, unhand me, sir. Who's the most cuddly raccoon on the land? Ow! Why you gotta ruin it? Don't suck on my chin. Damn, it's the 7 minutes, Jerry. This is love. Ow, bitch. That was your fucking fingernail went in my nostril, dude. I almost sneezed.